So, according to the CDC, a concussion is a type of traumatic brain injury, or TBI. It's caused by a bump, jolt, or a hit to the body that can cause your brain to move within your skull. This damages the brain cells and creates a chemical change in the brain. How can a concussion affect the brain? The neurons stretch and or tear when the brain is like bumped or moved, or when a concussion occurs. So when that brain moves in your head, those neurons are damaged. The axons are destroyed and release toxins, which can cause death of other neurons as well. Long-term effects of a concussion or a TBI is the CTE, which is a degenerative brain disease. It's called, CTE stands for chronic traumatic encephalopathy. Yep, didn't say that right. But it's when your brain suffers from changes, or when the person with CTE, you can suffer from changes in your mood and behavior. This usually will start in your 30s and 40s after you have had some sort of concussion or TBI. You're going to have problems with your thinking, your memory, and it can also lead to dementia over time. Another thing that I want to talk about that we aren't required is the post-concussion syndrome. This happens over time. It occurs over time, anywhere from months to years, not just like days or weeks. It is from damage to your brain over time. Like, this occurs a lot in soccer players or football players who are constantly getting hit in the head. And they may not be diagnosed with a concussion. It may just be, oh, I have a headache, which is still damage to your brain, especially after you get hit. Over time, no matter whether you fell down the stairs and hit your head, got into a car accident, play a sport, you could still develop PCS or a degenerative brain disease.